Hi, I'm Karina, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reserve a meeting room and manage current reservations. First, click on meeting rooms. Here you will see an overview of the meeting rooms of your own location. You can also select the building if it's applicable. Select the date when you would like to create a reservation, start time, and drag the arrow to the end time. Click on Book Room. Your booking has been confirmed. If you would like to know more details about the meeting room before creating a reservation, just click on the meeting room. Here you will find information such as capacity of the meeting room, the address, information about the space, catering, and other details. Each meeting room has its own calendar, so you can also make reservations on the calendar of the meeting room. Select the start time and the end time. Continue booking by clicking here. Once you have completed booking, you will receive an email confirming your reservation. Now let's have a look at managing current reservations. To do so, go back to the home page. In the home page, you will find an overview of all your existing reservations. Click here. You will also be able to see past reservations. To manage a specific reservation, click on it. In this page, you can add a description, number of people joining, or any additional information that's useful for you. Click on Save. You can also change the time of an existing reservation. Click on Edit Time. For example, let's extend the time of this reservation, and click on Update Reservation. Your reservation has been updated. Please notice that you can only make changes in the starting time or end time of a reservation. You cannot choose a different day. To choose a different day, you will have to create a new reservation. You can also delete a reservation by clicking on Cancel Reservation. If you have any questions about your reservations or the meeting rooms of your location, please contact the facility coordinator of your location. Thanks for watching.